Hi, this video is sponsored by PCBWay. So I will check out some improvements I did with the PCB for the mutantC version 4. Okay, let's see what we have here. So this is the main PCB, and this one is the thumb PCB, thumbstick, and TP4056 is the charging module. Yeah, and the documents. Okay, keep them aside. I'll check the compare the quality from this PCB to other PCB I have. Nice black PCB. Yeah, from my initial impression, yeah, this looks far better than my other PCBs I have. Yeah, I will test the power circuit because it's new. I use new module for boosting the batteries 3.3 volt, sorry, 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries to 5 volt. So this is the new boost module, and I'll talk about this thing later. Yeah, so you can see this is the version 3 PCB and this is the version 4 PCB. It's not finalized yet. I have to make lots of change here, like the these holes here are too tiny, and also some other things. And you can see both are from, these are from like ordinary PCB manufacturer, and this one is from PCBWay. You can see the color is, you can choose any color you want. There is like 8 colors for the PCB, but for the normal manufacturer is only green. So black PCBs are really nice, and also the traces are very good, what I can see, and the footprint are accurate also. And see here, this one is not shiny yet, not that much. It means there is not enough flux. Actually, like, I think the PCBs, the drill also very good. This is the drill are not that much good, like, but here the drilling is far better. Yeah, I think the PCB came out very good thanks to PCBWay. The manufacturing quality is much better than what I used to before. So this one is testing PCB for version 3 I made long ago before ordering from PCBWay. Yeah, so I put together all the parts for the power circuit. So so you can see right now it's 5 volt and 1.2 amps around. So initially I had to make the version 4 because of there's not enough power, or like enough current is available from the earlier earlier the charger module. It was only 1 amp. Right now this boost module can support up to 2 amps, so that's great. Right now we can power the any expansion board here, so that's great. Right now I'm testing it using some resistor as a load. Yes, so you can see it can exceed 1 point, exactly like 1 amp. So right now it can 1.2. I can put some more load. I think it will handle around 2 amps. So the charge is handled by the TP4056, the smaller one. There is no protection. All the protection is done for this one. And also the charge port is right now in PCB, so we are not using the USB from the TP4056 module, because that doesn't have like the CC pin like resistor, pull down resistor. So that's why we are using the power connector in the PCB right now. So it's great, everything is working for the power circuit. Then next video will be about the changes in the firmware that like the Arduino circuit for the keyboard and the thumbstick and other part. And like I linked my PayPal account, PayPal or Patreon account down below. If you guys want to help me out, then that will be great for the future of this project, and also other project is coming. That's all, and thanks to PCB sponsoring this video. Their PCBs are great, and I hope like you guys will order from them. I will upload the Gerber file of this PCB in the PCB website, then you can guys directly order from that website. The PCB quality are great, as you saw before, so I will recommend you guys to order PCBs from PCB. Thanks guys, I will see you in next video about the circuitry I changed for the controlling the keyboard and the thumbstick.